Okay guys, now as you can see, maybe the footage looks a little bit different to you. I got my new camera the other day, so I took it on an inaugural run on Friday, so I'm going to switch to that so you can see the footage and see how well it is. I'm just going to see it for the first time too. Well, I saw it for the first time in editing this, but then after you see that, we'll get to Sunday's video, so you'll know Sunday's clips, so you can know how many miles I got for the week. Can you hear me well? I'm talking to you. GoPro Hero 8 Black. Inaugural run. Wave.
Is that a GoPro?
Yeah. Can you see? Can you see me? Oh. Now you can see yourself.
The roundy thing?
The roundy thing?
Yeah.
Now make fun of me in the background. Go ahead. I'm waiting. Okay, just put hyper boost on. I'm gonna run kind of fast here. See how it goes. See what it looks like. First I got my speed boost stick here. Just a few seconds of heavy running. I got it slow for the water holes. It's been raining and they haven't had time to dry up yet. Well, here I am on my GoPro inaugural run, trying to figure out the cool features of stabilization and that kind of stuff. So nice sounds. Did you see that? That's a big plane flying low. I bet I caught it on camera. So I really couldn't tell if I did. I guess we'll see. Almost there. There we go, 5 miles and 50 minutes. Okay, that is the inaugural GoPro run. Now, it's windy. Wind's starting to blow, it's getting cool. That's nice, it feels really good. Average pace there was 10:02. Could have got it in under 10 if I didn't go on the trail, and if I didn't stop to record. But it's so much fun to do both. But that's the inaugural run. So now let's get back to our regular Sunday vlog to let you know how many miles I was able to get for the week. Okay guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today, Sunday, I just got my last run in for the week, 8 miles in just over 1 hour and 28 minutes. And that put me at 43.7 miles for this week. Not bad after coming off of the 50K last week with almost 32 miles in one day. But I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of footage there from my GoPro that I'm looking at right now. My GoPro inaugural run just went a few miles the other day. I just wanted to get a feel of what it was like, what it looked like, and let you guys know that I did get a new camera, and then it's the GoPro Hero 8 Black. And I'm going to be using that for all of my vlogging. I'm going to just use my phone for my pictures, my Instagram, my social media posts, stuff like that. So now when I go running, I'll have this GoPro plus my phone, and it's going to be a lot better, a lot easier to put on the Spivo stick. I had that yesterday. I had the Spivo stick the other day, and it did really well. Now I haven't put anything on the computer to edit and all that kind of stuff yet, but I'm going to do that now. And just let me know what you guys think of the footage. I'm still thinking about what I'm going to do from now on to consider the training for the race, the real Cooper's Rock 50K that is coming up in June. And whether they have it or not, I guess we'll find out as closer that we get. We'll find out the closer we get to the actual day. But besides that, like I said, like I always say, it's a great day to go for a run wherever you may be. Like, comment, subscribe, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.